This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
This video, we'll be looking at the Bedford template, and we'll be looking at reducing the banner size of the homepage, banner area. So this is a Squarespace site, and we've already made the changes to reduce the size here. And as you can see on the original template, we've reduced the size quite a bit. So it's much shorter. So let's get started. The first step would be to go into the back end of the site. We're going to click on design, and we're adding some CSS. So we'll go to custom CSS. And here we'll type our code. First, we'll type the class name for this banner is called DESC, probably for description, dash wrapper. And here we're going to remove all the padding. So we'll type padding 0. So as you can see, it already shortens the banner. The next thing we're going to do is to reduce the font size because it's really large. And now that we've shortened the banner height, it does look a bit too large. So again, we'll type DESC-wrapper. Now we'll add P strong, and that will target this text specifically. We'll add our opening and closing curly braces. And between these, we'll type font size 48 pixels. And then we'll also need to add the important, just to make sure our changes are not overridden by the default code on the site. And once that's done, just hit save. And there you go. You've shortened the banner size of your Bedford theme.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.